Anybody from all of you? अच्छा एक बात कोई बात नहीं करेगा, कोई भी थोड़ा कोई बात नहीं करेंगे, आप लोग रिकॉर्ड हो जाए। आप लोग चारों में से जो भी रेडी है स्टार्ट बटन को क्लिक कर सकता है, स्टार्ट कर सकता है।
करना ही है।
चलिए, the debate has been started. Now anybody can start at any point of time. It's all right. The floor is open. What is the topic?
English should be studied in India. Or
Should English be the primary medium of education?
Primary
medium of education.
primary
All right.
education.
Yes. Start with you.
First of all, English is not the primary language. Many of the people doesn't understand English very well just because of lack of education.
In India, but what happens for other worldwide nations?
Yes, we should study English to communicate with other people also who didn't understand Hindi or other languages. So there is only one medium, which is English. So this language is a medium by which we can study also, or we can communicate with the other people, like in South India also, as you can.
Then what about the then mother language?
Yes, we have the mother language, but there should be another language too, because in worldwide there is only one language, which is English. So if you want to study abroad, you have to learn English, and if you
But
want
it's
another,
not necessary that whole the worldwide have that language, English.
But they should know how to talk, how to communicate, because English is a medium by which we can communicate in the worldwide nation. In fact, UNO, WHO, we can't use the Hindi because they can't understand. English is the medium we can communicate easily anywhere.
Like primary means of primary means of communication is the other thing, and secondary is the other thing. Like in India, basically it is a like culture based country where our own cultures and languages are there, and if like English is not our nation's language, basically it is a foreign language, and we should use it, but in a limited thing, like not as a primary means of education, because not all the like schools or colleges have that facilities where students can indulge with that much kind of teachers who can also study them properly. When students are very nowadays are fear to get little bit of misconceptions towards their English language while telling or while asking and while going to different places.
that's why there should be a medium to talk to English, because from primary education, when children get the exposure of the English language, then the children will not get.
In India, the most of the people who are unemployed, they don't know English. If they know the English, they can get the several jobs.
In India, basically many of the students get high quality like degrees and many more things, but they are also unemployed. So that is not based on the language Hindi or English. It is the
But if we have to attract the foreign investment in our country, we have to communicate in English.
Yes.
They don't know how to talk. We can't express our planning and everything for the foreign peoples.
Also, in many other job sector, there should be a English medium to talk to the other people. Even in the interviews, that the interview asks to the cadets or the aspirant who want to join the company. So they ask in the English language, who don't understand the language, and also the medium that they are talking, or the writing section also. There should be a obstruction. There should be obstruction to them.
like one of the biggest exam here in India, like in UPSC, you can also give your interview in Hindi language as well.
But there most of the people get the job who is speaking in English.
That is not the valid
Yes, it
point,
is-
because
yes, it is the
because
valid
many of the students get Hindi very well, and they can also clear the interview, and they can also get the jobs.
Yes, most of the people who is speaking English, if you see in the news also, that there is many people who is speaking well in English and also writing well in examination, they get the jobs and get the higher marks in the examination also.
You have said that.
Can you please explain me how can we communicate in worldwide by the using of Hindi?
Yes.
I'll ask after that. first of all, you told that in UPSC exam,
Yes.
the most of the people speak in English will get the job. It's not compulsory. Having a language, it's a different thing, and having that much of knowledge, it's a different thing.
I'll give you the answer. Then in the UPSC, ND and CDS examination, there should be an English medium to talk with the assessors, and also there, because all whole medium must be an English language, because when you get selected in the army and the air force and the navy, you should know the basic language, which is English, because when you get to assign in the UN peace corps, then you should know the English language also. How you communicate with the other, when you are posted in the Sudan, and also you are posted in the क्या बोलते हैं sir, Algeria, or the most of the country where is many terrorists there, and also how you control it. If you don't know the communicate with the and negotiate with the terrorist also.
Like knowing English is a different thing, and like primary means of education is a different thing, because English should be teachers in
That's why I'm
school,
telling you.
but there are different languages also. Like people in India are not much that like educated, so here
But they
first
have
of
to
all,
educate.
but they have to go to the schools to attend like first their regional language or to understand Hindi. Then they can also learn English as well, because
But if their basics are weak, then it's a too much problematic to learn them. And in the if the time was also too much consuming. If they start spoken English from basics, it is easier to learn.
That's why you both of are here now. Why we are coming here? If we know the English language by birth, then why you are here?
That's why I'm telling you, if we were taught to speak in English by primary education, that we haven't any क्या बोलते हैं, urge to learn in English.
Waste the time.
So yes, we can save the time in primary education.
And nowadays the AI and technology are developing too.
Yes.
These are formed by the foreign country. In our country, there is no accessibility to develop them.
Yes.
While Hindi be the like national language in India,
We are using the Google, Chat,
It's
GTP,
not
AI.
official
Everything was
national
developed by the
yes,
foreign.
yes, while it is our like mother tongue basically, so it creates a huge disputes among the regional like other states people.
So there should be an English language.
They are also not willing to like go with English. They also promote their own languages,
Own language first.
and also they are against English as well. Some of the states.
Yes, they are promoting their language, but there is only one medium to talk to them, which is English.
English can be one of the medium, but there is other thing also, because as our country is Hindi based country throughout the independence, as
In the past time,
we
the
can say,
British
but
rules in our country.
So if
they leave their footprints. They leave their mother tongue English.
We can't say by this.
We develop we get the idea of constitution by them.
they had a fear if Hindi is there, then that can
But the English is globally worldwide.
Yes.
It is a standard language.
It's
But-
not about the worldwide. It's also about the India.
You always stay in India.
not
India
all
is-
the people went to the other countries.
If you live in India, there is many jobs like Amazon jobs, and I will tell you an example that when you has a job in a क्या बोलते हैं call center, there is two section who is speaking in Hindi and who is speaking English, and speaking क्या बोलते हैं spelling बोलने वाला क्या बोलेंगे
spoken.
जो बोलते हैं नहीं क्या बोलेंगे
The people who speak English.
the people who is speaking in English get the higher salaries, and the people who is speaking in Hindi get lower salaries. So you can say that the people who is speaking English, which is must to know the English language if you want to appear in the job sectors.
And how you can attract the foreign investment in our country?
But not all the people are attracted to like foreign like people, or to go to the like other countries. They have to live in India basically.
And
Most of the
In
number
India,
of
there is
people.
not enough employment. We have to attract the foreign investment in our country.
But there is no that kind of financial condition where most of the people go outside India. They have to stay in India, so they have to.
The foreigner
be
comes in our country for invest in our country.
And-
How we can communicate with them?
The foreigners come in our country to
Then
see
we
our
teach
culture.
them to learn Hindi.
and like now like English is also going very rapidly in India, so most of other like jobs who are basically on Hindi language or other language, the seats are empty because all people are focusing towards English, and
That's why we
huge,
we are supporting the primary language.
no, because then there is a huge competition. You can also go where the seats are left. You can also get jobs in other languages also.
I'll give you an example. If you apply in any job sector, if you in any menial job, like like if you want to, there is a job in Amazon, there is a job in customer associate service. There is a need of English speaking people, English writing people. Those who are not ability to speak in English and also write emails in English, that they are not selected in the selecting process.
All right.
So
Like now in schools, like if there is one subject of Hindi or
Yes.
one subject of Sanskrit, so they can also have one subject of English as well,
Yes.
but they can also focus to other like subjects while the students learn Hindi or Sanskrit. They can also learn English as that kind of mentality, but that should be not that not means that should be the
when
primary means.
But when they will get enter in the real world, how will they communicate in Hindi or in Sanskrit?
All right, let's end that debate on this particular note. फाइनल ओपिनियन आप लोगों का चाहिए मेरे को. फाइनल ओपिनियन क्या है आप लोगों का बताइए. आप फाइनली क्या बोलना चाहते हैं आफ्टर हैविंग दिस डिबेट? व्हिच साइड डू यू टेक? सर आप ही स्टार्ट कीजिए. एनीबॉडी कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम.
I will take the side of English.
आप बोलिए सर, फाइनल ओपिनियन आपका क्या है? डू यू एग्री विद दिस असेसमेंट दैट इंग्लिश शुड बी?
Yes, of course. English must be. Everyone should know the language English, because it is the global access, global language. It is a useful for the communication.
फॉर एवरीवन.
For everyone.
यस, ठीक है. आप सर क्या बोलना चाहते हैं? व्हाट इज योर
Sir, if you want to apply in any job sector, you should know the English language first, because there are many sectors they only seek to those candidates who know the English very well.
ऑलराइट.
Because the many sectors there is many foreign clients that my friend also Kunal who is working in TCS, he working as a he has the क्या बोलते हैं उसे, clients of US also, and also so they have to learn, even he is not able to he is not able to speak well, but he started learning English language very well, and he was very regretting that he didn't understand well, and also he didn't learn the language.
All right.
So
All
that
right.
should be a
Understood. आपका फाइनल ओपिनियन बताइए.
My opinion is like that. Yes, English is important, but having English as a primary isn't like that.
It should not be the main thing.
It's not should be the main thing, just because India is not as much educated. Like everyone knows English and everyone is fluent in communicating in English. So first of all, you have to be confident in your own mother tongue, and after that you will able to speak in
It should be
English.
the secondary language.
Yes.
All right. What is your
And like as our India is basically a culture-based country, so we should also glorify our culture. That's why Hindi should be promoted more and more. But English also should be promoted, but as a secondary, as she said. But main focus is towards Hindi, and also in India, the job creators should also focus on Hindi. That people are who are very good in Hindi also, they also get that kind of opportunity to get the jobs in their field also.